You are welcome to clap in this particular. Driver, don't touch anything with that. We have Michael in the studio at my house. We have a very common posse that shows up and appreciates all this music that comes through. And a few of the people have like a their own like clap and their own like cheer. And I always can hear Jason Basner's cheer at the end of every single one of these songs. Woo! When he freaks out. It's always great. Basner, if you're out there, buddy, we miss you. I wish you were up in the front seat. We needed you for that. Have you ever sung into anything like that before?
I have not, and I understand what this is doing is it's reducing background noise and rumble so we can just capture the voice, correct?
Well, and it's doing its best, damnedest job as it can. You had said earlier when we were setting up, it made me laugh a little bit. You had said, well, I am sitting over the main axle in the back over 2 tires in a massive van, so let's try that microphone out.
Well, and you've also got room mics, believe it or not, in here as well.
Yeah.
So you are trying to capture some road noise, just not through this one.
That song, that first song right there, again, what was the name of it?
That was called Awayo, which is what my fingers did every time we took a turn.
Dude, that was awesome. I loved it. That sounded wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Where do we go next? We're vibing. We've got power. We do. The power. I just looked back at the power right now. We have this power generator right behind me right now. We're trying out one of those like power generators that's like the lithium battery. So far, so good. I guess if this fades to black really quick, you'll know the power is no longer working. All right, Michael, where do we head now?
I'm going to just do a quick tune-up here since we're climbing in altitude. And atmospheric conditions are changing.
Explain that to the person that doesn't play guitar. I mean, I'm very aware of it, but what does every 1,000 feet do to your guitar?
Well, I'm not quite sure, actually. All I know is that it goes out of tune when it gets high, when it gets low, when it gets warm, when it gets cold, when it gets wet, when it gets dry.
Yeah.
All those factors are in play. And it's interesting, the sun coming in, warming the guitar top up, and I can't wait to see what it's like up here at the pass.
It's gonna be unbelievable.
Yeah,
I'm so stoked.
Okay, so this song is called "Building a Mountain."
Excellent. Floor is yours.
Building a mountain, one rock at a time. I'm building a mountain for no one but me to climb. No one but me to climb. Standing in the foothills, I can visualize the tall mountain of my dreams. So I start collecting rocks. I start collecting rocks. Some of them from here, some of them from there. Some come from dark places, but I don't intend to scare you. 'Cause I'm building a mountain. I'm building a mountain. I'm building a mountain. Yeah. I'm building a mountain, one rock at a time. I'm building a mountain for no one but me to climb. No one but me to climb. Standing in the foothills, I can visualize the top mountain of my dreams. So I start collecting rocks. I start collecting rocks. I start collecting rocks. Some of them from here, some of them from there. Some come from dark places, but I don't intend to scare you. 'Cause I'm building a mountain. I'm building a mountain. I'm building a mountain. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.